up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Kuro. Welcome back for another video. Hey girl, what's poppin' locking, girl? You good? Chillin', living. How's life going this week? So in this video, I'm ashy as always, and girl, I am also going to try out this hair color. This is actually a hair color gel, and this is by the brand Gemini Naturals. Now, honestly, I didn't even know who the owner was. Like, I saw it coming down my timeline like a couple of months back or so. Whenever it started getting popular, you know me. I'm like, what happened? I remember, you know, not too long ago where people were using eyeshadow to make fake highlights in their hair, or even using another type of hair wax. It was like a couple of things happening. And now I'm looking up, and Gemini Naturals is like, no, we're gonna go ahead and do a temporary gel. What do you mean? Still create the curls you want, do your thing with this. And so I thought that was really interesting, and I said, okay, well, let's go ahead and do what we have to do. And so I ended up getting a couple of the colors that I saw. Now, I'm not that bold with colors, but when I was growing up, I was like, okay, if I ever was to color my hair, I would color it blue. But I actually didn't pick the blue color that she had. I ended up getting Midnight. And then I said, well, you know what? I've also wanted my hair purple before too. So I was like, okay, let's go ahead and get Purple Rain. So these are the two colors I ended up getting. Okay. They get their Curl Awaken primer, which is a leave-in conditioner. And then I realized who the owner was. I was like, Donna, do your thing, sis. Formerly known as Chronic Curls. I know, sis. That's what I ended up getting, because the other colors were not bad colors. I just know that for me, I'm not there yet. So I said, let's go ahead and do this. And I did see that she had a gold color, but you know, I just kind of came from like golds and copper, so I didn't want to go in that direction. And so these are a happy medium. Something in me wishes I just went blue, like straight on blue. But Midnight, we're gonna see how that goes and flows on my hair, and then Purple Rain as well. But I'm gonna go and do the directions, which is apply generous amount to firstly wash hair, rake through with fingers, detangle but apply, do not rinse, and style as desired. So because it's the actual gel, I didn't know how it was gonna go and flow, so I didn't buy that much. Maybe I should have bought more. I didn't know. So let's talk about smell. Doesn't smell bad, not bad at all. Got a little shake to it. So that's Purple Rain, and then that's Midnight. And those are my ashy hands. Okay. Nervous about the floor. So let me put something on the floor, because if I drip anything, I'm gonna be mad. I'm the only person that struggles with tops like this. Like, they never want to open for me. I just feel like everyone that I get doesn't want to open. We're gonna open? Ha. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay. All right. Smells nice. So this has water, aloe leaf juice, something, avocado oil, fragrance, and more. I'm not gonna be here all day. I'm gonna put this all throughout my hair. So fun fact for this video, I actually did look up a couple of people that used it, because I didn't want to do it wrong. I'm like, we dealing with color now. I just didn't want to play games, you know? She also has a clear gel on there, so you can just, you know, have a basic primer. So I kind of wish I would have got that, but honestly, I didn't know where this was gonna go. So I didn't want to like drop a stack on something and really not know for sure. So I did like the fact that she offered smaller sizes, like the 2 ounce that I got. But we're going to do that. So first off, I'm going to just see in general like what it does for my hair. So I'm gonna split this. Let's split this in half. Let's just do by layer, one color. So this is supposed to be a gel. Oh wow. And this is a gel in itself. So I shouldn't have to use anything else, right? But so much in me wants to. What I'm thinking is that I'm going to still use my own gel and then just put the color right on top. Only because, once again, I need this to last, and I also didn't buy that much color. The purple. Okay, Purple Rain. And just grab some pieces and see if that layer is cute. Okay. It basically layers right on top. Okay, I like the purple. I definitely like the purple. Yeah, so this is what your girl is looking like. This is looking a little dark. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that purple on it and see if that helps, because it may just be the way that it dries on my hair. Yeah, so I think what's happened is that once it dries, it's not gonna be as vibrant, which is perfect, right? So we're gonna see how that goes and flows, but I do wanna still do a little bit of highlight in the front. So I'm gonna add Midnight and just add it to some other pieces of the purple section that I did. This is what my hands look like afterwards. I did wipe my hands maybe twice throughout this whole process. This is the towel I used. I did use a blue towel, so you probably can't really see what's going on here. My hair look good enough to eat, don't it? Reminds me of candy. Look how fun that looks. And yes, it will come back on your hands while you're drying your hair, so be mindful of that. I would basically say, like, to not wear white while you're doing this, while you're rocking this look. Also too, my blow dryer has some color on it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, anywho. But y'all, all in all, this is super cute. Like, this is like a fun, it's fun. It's a fun look. Yeah, girl, so you know how we going forward with these type of videos. What are some pros? What are some pros? The pros are that this legit colored my hair. Like, legit, okay? It's there, right? It's here. And another pro is that I can wash this out and go back normal. I can wash this out right after this video and go back normal. I'm gonna go full day with it just so y'all can see it. I think that's a positive. What is this piece doing? Did you hear when like a curl just want to live his own life? Like, no, it's not about you. It's just not about you. So stay where you need to stay. Okay, thank you. But yeah, the colors look very vibrant. I end up going more blue because I guess over time in my head look more toned down. So when I'm out and about, I don't get too many stares. Because I'm gonna get a stare or 2 or 3 or 5 because it's this color. But I was like, let's do some two-tone situations so that, you know, when they stare, they got something for a look at. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, I like the fact that my hair is still defined. I was able to still use the blow dryer with drying my hair, so that's a positive as well. It looks good. It looks good, girl. Another pro is that this was just fun to do. You know, and my curls are not damaged because of it, and we like that, don't we? Some cons, I would say, that is, of course, it will transfer. It just is what it is, okay? And then for me, I do this with my hair. I pull on my hair all day long, so my hands are definitely gonna look like this. And that will be my only con, is that it just transfers on your hands. So, you know, if you touch your hair a lot like I do, it will be on you. It will be on your hands, and then you can't touch anything else, okay? So me and you will never, like, it's gonna go on the other hand, okay? Just letting y'all know. What I look like, a little Laffy Taffy, I don't know, something. But my hair looks really good. Oh, another con is that I would say that some sections were more vibrant than others. But I think that's probably because of shingling, when I shingled it, which, I mean, that's the only way I do my hair, so it can for real pop, pop, pop. How about it? Like, for example, can y'all even see that purple I did under here anymore? You know, it almost like looks dark. So before you dry it, so after you did all your whole head and you notice that some sections aren't as vibrant, just go back in with the gel and just put it right on top, okay? Just add that color gel right on top of that section, and then it becomes more vibrant. Because back here, as you can see, you really don't see that purple that I layered anymore. And so I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to see how long this lasts and how it transfers, and just keep y'all updated with it. But I think this is cute. But yeah, so what you think about my hair, okay, in this color, okay? Let me know what you think down below if you haven't already. And girl, give this video a like. Okay, if you find it educating, a little entertaining, give this video a thumbs up, and girl, subscribe to my beautiful people crew, okay? And you like, how do I even do that? Girl, by clicking the subscribe button. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, okay? I honestly would recommend like Gemini Naturals to y'all if you are looking for a little pop of color, a little remix to the day, you know what I'm saying? And I'm also gonna show the color in different light, and then y'all be on it popping. Okay. So I also wanted y'all to see it in a different light, so it's not as like crazy and vibrant as it shows on, you know, in front of my lights. This is how it looks in like typical like bathroom lighting. Cute and subtle, right? Like it reminds me of like cotton candy too. And yeah, as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 You like it? Yes. Thank you.
Like, I cannot believe you did this. Oh my god.
What do you think about my hair? It was me up for them. Like, huh? Look good. Like, yeah. Because, you know, it looks dull when you're in the dark. But then when I come in the light, you like,
sun.